Sparkies of Australia, get ready to join the MAX9 generation. The next generation in circuit protection is here with Clipsal's groundbreaking new MAX9 system, bringing unparalleled installation speed and performance to you and your customers every time. MAX9 also introduces Max Bar, the bus bar that delivers it all, with an installation speed that's up to 15 times faster than using cables for feeding RCBOs. Enjoy complete installation flexibility, as Max Bar can connect the main switch directly to any type of Clipsal RCBO, making your install completely clean and tidy and providing the professional finish you'd expect. MAX9 comes future-ready, with all RCDs and RCBOs in the range being Type A, which will be mandated in 2023. With that peace of mind, you can focus on growing your business instead. You'll also be leading the way in safety and innovation. With arc fault detection device technology, we're helping to take the safety of Australian homes to the next level, reducing the risk of electrical fires caused by series and parallel arc faults. MAX9 also delivers best-in-class performance with its 100 amp rated system, products designed to withstand tough Aussie conditions, and most breakers built to endure 20k mechanical cycles and 10k electrical cycles. Throw in a 7-year manufacturer's warranty and choosing to work with MAX9 becomes a no-brainer. Another next-generation feature is that all technical info and guides are at your fingertips. Simply scan the QR code on each product to get all the info you need. We've also simplified how you can talk with your customers about the benefits of different types of circuit protection through easy-to-understand pictograms, adding more value to your customer engagement. It's time to lead the way in circuit protection. Discover the MAX9 range today.